Good morning, everybody. Hope all of you are doing fine. And we have got four Tiger Barbs. That all the four cost me 60 rupees. We have plans to release them in tank number one. Oh, my battery is almost down. Not my battery, sorry, the battery of my phone. So I need to put this packet in the aquarium so that the fish gets acclimatized, and then we'll release them. Acclimatize করতে হবে 15 minutes, 15 minutes. The packet needs to stay here to get acclimatized so that the fish gets acclimatized. Okay, there's a snail, big one. Okay, now it's time to set the fish free. So let me open the packet. Okay, so there is one here right in front of the glass. And where are the others? Others are hidden in the Velisneria jungle. My tank has been colonized by snails. Anyway, alright, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care.